My name is Alan Talbot and I'm the Project Systems Manager for Twinings in Andover. Twinings is the oldest tea manufacturer in the UK. Over the years we've streamlined our business and tried to refine our processes to get the optimum out of our manufacturing process. During that timescale, the warehouse and the mobile platform that they used had been neglected, and so we were facing a lot of issues with stock accuracy, with the time it took for people to do those transactions, and just the basic main operation was just more of a hindrance to the workforce than it was to make it easier for them to do their job. So that led us to update the hardware. We didn't want to select something and then to just pass it to the operators because they do the job. Barcode-IT sent us several devices for us to trial and recommended different solutions based on the different requirements we said for each of the different areas. They loaned us that equipment for us to talk to our operators and see which one they preferred. Once they'd got them choices and we placed that order with them, they configured all that equipment for us before sending to site to make sure that operators can't access things like YouTube and go on the main internet. So they've got the applications they need to do their job, but not that they can go around and do whatever they like. And there was no having to set up hardware or anything like that. It was just a case of we just opened the box and away we went. So we had a much smoother and easier transition. First project I've had where they didn't argue back. The impact initially of implementing this solution was to save a lot of time and a lot of ease for the operators, but also massively improved our stock accuracy and the time it takes to perform each task. For example, doing a stock take which would normally take us around about 2 days over the two buildings we have got reduced to the whole stock take being done within 5 hours. So the solution we've implemented so far has touched 3 areas of our main manufacturing process. We are now looking at how we can refine other areas of our manufacturing process and bring this solution in to help to improve those areas as well.